And the race is on. Golden Yasui fast to begin by the Raj King Patrick, and racing from the outside Smart Cabanela. Rambo is racing by the run, rushing up Dancing Storm Gold Navy second last, while Dr. Choice is the early trailer by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. Golden Yasui by some 2 lengths, followed by King Patrick. Dancing Storms is rushing up from the outside. Smart Cabanela. Gold Navy is racing by the rail. At the Golden Yasui by some 2 lengths, followed by Dancing Storms on the outside. King Patrick Danori inside. Smart Cabanela. Go Navy sneaking Danori inside. Rambo and Dr. Choice still in behind them as they pass the last 400. And going to the final corner, Golden Yasui by some 2 lengths. King Patrick Danori inside. Smart Cabanela on the further outside. Gold Navy Danori inside. Dancing Storm. Golden Yasui, Smart Cabanela, King Patrick, Gold Navy Danori inside. And during the finish line, Golden Yasui, Smart Cabanela, King Patrick, and finally Golden Yasui, Go Smart Cabanela, King Patrick, Go Navy Dancing Storm, Dr. Choice, and Rambo comes last.